Right then, so the new office chair. We'll look at it as an overview of all the component parts, and then we'll go through how to put it together, and then we'll give it a review. Okay, so let's look at the seat pad. It's heavy, and I think that's the one thing to say about the office chair in its entirety. It's a heavy duty chair. It's got some good build quality to it. It's substantial. Now if we flip this over, you can see there's the frame to it, but the seat itself, if we have a look here, it's just the material on top, and then there's another material layer underneath, so you've got a double material there, which is giving you your padding on it. So let's pop that down, and then we'll have a look at the back. So there's the back, and again, it's substantial. You'll see it better once it's all been put together, but we've got the chromium finish on the back. Again, there's no padding on it, it's just the material itself stretched across the frame. There's your lumbar support there, there's your back. Let's have a look at the rest. Right, so the head support, if we have a look at the head support there, it does move, but again, you can see it all better when it's been put together. Two arm supports. If we press that, as you can see, so here's the bottom slides out there, so we'll see that in situ as well. And finally, we've got the base that everything attaches to. We've got the pneumatic lift. We've got 5 wheels that attach to this base. I think it's an aluminium base, polished aluminium, and the wheels themselves, the chromium plated plastic. Right, okay, let's get it together, obviously using the supplied Allen key and screws. Okay, so first of all, what we'll do is we'll just get the wheels put onto here, and that's nice and simple. All they do, they just push home into there like that. And we just do this with all, oops, there's the 5 of them. Some are a little easier than others. It's probably going to be the easiest thing to do. Right, so that's the wheels on there. Okay, move that out to one side. There's the caster. And now what we'll do is we will put the seat onto here. Right, so that goes on there like that. And you get the shorter of the bolts. You just pop that on. There are 4 of them. Get the supplied Allen key. Very easy to put together these chairs. Right, before we go any further, what I want to do is pop this into, I suppose the easiest way to show you is pop that there like that. Get this. As you can see, there's slots in here, so you get it, pop it in like that, and then you get the, well, got to line it up first. Right, okay, so once you're married up, get your screws and just pop them in. And again, supplied Allen key to tighten them up. All this is pretty much finger tight that I'm doing it. Okay, so that's the back on. And now we'll put the arms on. That's nice and straightforward. So we've got 3 screws there. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. So the medium sized ones. pop them in. Okay, that's that. Now, as far as the pneumatics go, again, very, very easy. Bring that forward. And it pops in there like that. And then this literally just sits on top. So you can see the hole there, see that there. And if we lift it up, and just pop it on, that's it. That's that bit done and dusted. Right, now, so the chair's almost completed. We should have 2 medium length screws left over, and that is to attach this on the back. And what you need to do is, there's screw covers. They get a nail underneath, and they just pop out. And then get this. Now this I am tightening just because obviously I'm putting the screw caps back on. Right, so that's nice and tight on there. See, someone's hanging your jacket over the back, which is good. Right, okay, so those are on. You see, you've got your chrome there. There's your chair. Right, let's give it a first sit in it. And that's the material there of the lumbar support, as you can see. That's good. And it's sprung at the back, so you can see, it going down there. It's nice and comfy. You've got lots of adjustment on it, but we'll go through that in a minute. I'll just lift the arm up so you can see it there. Obviously, this is dependent on your desk, but so we'll get everything tightened, and then we'll just run through it again. Right, okay, so let's have a look at some of the special features on this. So, as you can see, there's the headrest, and it basically moves forward and down, backwards and up. You can see it there. There's your coat hanger, I'll show you that in a moment. There's your chromed back there. And if we come down and just have a look at this. So, where you saw me leaning back on the chair, if you don't want to do that, you can actually push this in. You can see it there, you've got a lock and an unlock, and you just push that in and it locks it, and pull it out and it unlocks it. And in the unlock position, you can lean back in the chair, push it in, then it's in the lock position and the back's static. Let's just see it with a jacket on the back. So there's the coat hanger there that's built in. We'll pop that on. There you go, you can see it's not on the floor, it's not trailing. The headrest is adjustable, and that's about right for me there, but obviously I've shown you can do it that way as well. Just in case you're wondering what this is, well, it sets the torque on the back there. Now, that is a bit too easy for me to go back. There's not much tension on it, so for me what I'd need to do is screw it up quite a way. Now it's a lot tougher to go back, which means it's also easier to go forward. Maybe put a bit more on. Obviously you basically do it to how you want it, and I forgot to say, these actually go backwards and forwards. So again, it's so that you can get further into the desk without them damaging the desk. So that's it. All done. Just took a few minutes.